Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change buttons mapping for Razer Viper V2 Pro. And to do this, you'll need to get Razer Synapse app. You can check my previous video on how to download it. Now click on your mouse, then in Customize you can select any different button, like mouse button 4, and give it different functions like keyboard function, mouse function, sensitivity change, insert device, switch profile, Razer Hyper Shift, launch program, launch some control multimedia, and use different Windows shortcuts or text function. That way you'll be able to paste different text with just one click. And you can also disable the button entirely. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.